Today's the day we've been waiting for. It's installation day, and we finally get to see our vision come to life. After months and months of planning, demo, and design decisions, everything is finally coming together. In this final episode of our kitchen renovation series, I'm taking you behind the scenes as everything falls into place. Our reactions, finishing touches, and of course, the full transformation. Let's get into it. Today's finally the day. It's installation day, and I am so freaking excited. We've been waiting for 6 months. Since we've moved in, it's been a long, rough renovation journey, but it's crazy to know that we're at the finish line and everything is all getting put together today. So we're going to have contractors come. They're going to start really soon, really early. They are going to put on the cabinets, the flooring, the stone, and it's finally going to make our kitchen everything that we've dreamed of. I honestly have not been able to see them all in one room together. I made all these different choices in different stores, and the lighting is different for each thing. So it's like hard to really know for sure how it looks in your own place. So being able to see that come together is going to be super magical, and I cannot wait to show you the process. The floors are going in right now. Wow. Wow, look at that. All the cabinets have been moved in, and they're gonna start putting it all together. And they said by the day after, they're gonna bring the rock and the slab. So we're gonna have actual countertops. So it's coming together so nicely. They're putting it up, Kevin, the walls.
Pretty awesome. Perfect. That's exactly. This is right here. Awesome. Sweet.
Very cool. So this is the flooring so far. They really did such a good job putting it together. We actually ended up choosing luxury vinyl flooring because we are prone to mistakes, and this type of flooring is really good for longevity, for maintenance. If you want to spill water on it, then it's not as hard to maintain, and I really, really love it. I feel like we just put it across our first floor, and it really, really makes the room feel bigger and just longer and just one continuous thing. Don't mind our living room, it's crazy clearly, but this will come together eventually soon too, one project at a time. Oh my God, it's coming together so nicely. Because we can't fit our big stone into the kitchen yet, the guys are actually building the template of our kitchen right now so they could bring it back to their warehouse and cut the stone themselves so that it perfectly matches this kitchen of ours. We ended up getting 3 slabs that were all book matched, so they were all in consecutive pieces in a bundle, which made it really cool because it allowed us to have this continuous looking waterfall on the side of our kitchen, which was such a great detail.
Mm-hmm.
For the waterfall.
Yep. We have 3 slabs, and they're consecutive slabs.
Oh my gosh, look at that. So far, they've put this piece together. They put the cabinets, the plywood for the kitchen, and the white cabinets, and it looks so great together. I am obsessed with my hood. I'm so excited that I got this. I feel like it's gonna be such a great art piece, just like a centerpiece when you first walk in. We have our induction range that came in as well. We have all of our appliances that's been delivered, so it's great. And they also just installed our sink, so that's also going to be really great. The last touch is really just installing the stone, and we have to put in the handles and the faucet. So all of those elements are really, really going to make it finished and polished, and I cannot wait to show my family. Oh my god, the slabs are finally here. Yay! They're right outside. Seeing the kitchen slabs get installed was game changing. This was fun. I finally was able to see my entire kitchen like in the essence, everything that I always wanted it to be. It was like the final piece that I really needed. I just got a box of the really cool pendant lights for the kitchen. It came in, so I'm so excited to open it. I love new packages. Ooh, look at that. What a pretty color. It matches perfectly with the faucet too. So, wow, couldn't have done it better.
This is our
Bathroom bowl. This is definitely not a good sink
This
bowl.
could be a
It's
vessel.
way too small.
this could be our vessel.
But I do love the color. It's so pretty. It's brighter than the other one that I got. So, hopefully it fits. All right, I'm gonna hang it up. Preparing the setup to see how it would look on this. Isn't this gorgeous? I can't believe this is our kitchen. What a huge transformation so far. The handyman is here. Kevin's putting on the lights right now. It's the last one of the 3. And he's got knee pads on because he's been on his knees on this marble or this rock and it's been really painful, so great touch, Kev.
Yeah, it helps a lot.
So I get the special honors of turning on the pendant lights for the first time. Right, are we ready? Let's do it. Whoa, oh my god, that's so cool. Look at that. Whoa, look at Jim's. It's so dramatic. It looks so good, it looks so good, it looks so good. What do you think, Kev?
I like it. I like the gold on the inside. It makes it look.
Yeah, it looks like it's glowing. It almost reminds me of like a buffet station.
You think these are heat lamps?
It seems like it. It feels like it.
I wonder if you could do that.
We're not gonna use that as heat lamps, babe.
Yeah,
But
that's the perfect idea for hosting.
it looks cool, huh?
Looks pretty awesome.
It's official. Woo! We finally finished our kitchen. Yay! We cannot believe this actually happened. Like, how long have you been waiting for this, Kev?
Forever.
Forever.
We finally have a sink.
We have a sink. I know, I'm so excited. They actually finished putting in the plumbing yesterday, so it's hooked up. We haven't washed dishes so long in like a normal kitchen sink. It's been upstairs in the guest bathroom. So that's one of the most things I'm excited to use today, and to use the fridge, a microwave, the oven.
We can actually cook. Not that we're good at it.
I'm so excited to show my family and his family too. We have people coming over this weekend. It just doesn't feel real because we've been waiting for this moment for so long. I've had multiple breakdowns over this. I'm actually so obsessed with how it turned out. It turned out so good. I had a picture in my mind and envisioned everything, but you never know what it's gonna look like in real life. So are you ready? Should we show them?
Yeah, let's show them.
Okay. Do you like it? Are you surprised?
It's good. I cannot believe it. It's my dream.
Actually, it looks so good. It's so beautiful, so elegantly beautiful. So pretty. Oh, it's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Can I have this at home too?
No, it definitely feels different.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah, you guys remember it, right?
Do you think? That was really odd. It's so expensive.
Holy shit!